Creep about to avoid my warranty. And there's no wrong way to do it. Creep forgot the Loctite.
Oh shit!
Creep, how come you put them like that instead of the other way around? You really hate Loctite, don't you?
Oh shit!
Loctite. Of course, I had to slow down for Tacoma. What's up, dirt people? Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back. This video cost us a busted GoPro with mount and accessories. Was trying to get some suspension footage for you guys for the Chevrolet Performance Jounce Shocks for the install video you're about to see. But I suck and they fell off. I don't know, maybe it did get some footage before it broke. Also, the reason it was on the street is my busted hand. Whatever, more about that in a later video. And huge shout out, we got these parts from Bala Off-Road, so hit them up for parts, and we might have stolen them from the race team. I'm not sure, we'll see what's up. All right, so I laid all the parts out. It's the strike plates and the Jounce Shock with all the little bolts and everything. We'll probably use a bunch of sockets, impacts, all that. Creep might have better tools. As Creep, he came over to help out his helper, his truck. We're just gonna take off the Sumo springs. I'm gonna swap the wheels too. I'm gonna give it more of a rally feel. That's more my open desert running, and that's Creep's truck. He's also gonna help me give it a once over before I push it this weekend, since I'm one-handing it. He's gonna come and save the day. All right, the Sumo springs for Zach, and Creep about to avoid my warranty.
Oh God. Is it on?
It should be. There it goes. You want the handle for it?
No, it's fine. It's just small.
I was just joking about the warranty, obviously. These are Chevrolet Performance parts, so they have their own warranty, and I am taking a big risk. Each dealer's different. If you get them installed at your dealer, you should be fine, but ask them. You'd be surprised some of the stuff they look the other way at and some of the stuff they stick to.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
Yeah, nice.
So you could paint this, grind this off, all this shit, and then
just so one has a chance to dry at least. Yeah, whatever.
It doesn't rust out.
No.
Yep. You don't have a sawzall, huh?
I do, but not a good one. But I could get in there. You want me to go grab it? Oh yeah, those cables.
Yeah, I'm not trying to.
It comes with a bracket. I don't know if it's those cables or these lines right here. They get relocated.
Okay.
But yeah, you can't cut those. And on the instructions, you got to remove all of those screws. You really only need those two. They're 215 heads. You'll be fine. Also, ask an older taco owner. Box frames can trap a lot of water and moisture, so paint protection always. Everything. So that's the stock brake line bracket. Per the instructions, you have to cut it in half and then reattach it. It's pretty easy.
These ones get a little harder.
Is it hard right there?
Yeah. Probably all the dirt that's on the thread.
Okay, just take the U-bolts off, take all the crap off, and that stuff just lines up, and there's no wrong way to do it. Unless you're us, huh?
Yeah.
Actually, you do got to be careful installing the rear axle upper spring plate. It is directional. It goes the way we had it here with the high end towards the front of the truck. I just want to show all the channels and show that there's no wrong way to do it. The holes won't align.
All right, jack it up. That's good. No, I'm used to working by myself, so I do everything with them.
Well, I do too, but I don't even have the option.
Shit out.
with the plate,
Yeah, sometimes like if it's not aligned right or there's a big gap,
it starts flexing it.
No, it'll push the U-bolt out and then it'll mess you up.
Oh, all right. Yeah, and it seems to all self-align, huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
There is a torque sequence per the instructions. First pass 58 pound-feet of pressure, then 125 to 135 degrees for alignment. Yeah. Yeah, it just sandwiches around it. That's cool. Creep forgot the Loctite.
Oh shit!
Who cares, man?
I can put it on.
Nah. Let's wrap this up.
You sure?
Yeah, those.
No, screw that. I'll put it.
Nah, those like I'll take it off and put it on again. And these are easy to check because the heads are the way they stick out. These are easy to check, and they loosen up.
You sure?
Well, don't trip, man.
Because you were talking to me.
I know. I'm just gonna leave that in to shame you.
Oh. Now everybody's gonna think I'm all taking it off right now.
Nah, leave them. No, but well, whatever.
You gotta do it right.
Well, you took the shocks off. I forgot to mention that to work better.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, they're just 2 bolts anyways. They're easy to come off. My bad, fool. My bad. I should have caught you earlier.
What? Oh.
Huge shout out to Bala. I think these were back ordered and unavailable. Looks like we stole them from the racing team. So sorry, and check out Bala Off-Road for parts.
I'm surprised you haven't gone like with beavers or something.
I want to, but I want to stick with all Chevy parts too.
Oh, okay.
So,
yeah, that's good. Just don't fucking drop it on me.
yeah, if you look at the catalog, this part that we're doing, it recommends to get the Deaver setup too, or the spring package that they sell. But yeah, all the parts, even though it recommends it, you can still build them one at a time. But yeah, that's why I was saving up to buy everything as a package.
No, it's just this. You need to align it. So that's the hole to align it right there.
Just your little guide.
Yeah, little guide.
Where's the other part? Oh, you got it in your hand. What's up, Mars? I try not to. I think there's already a bigger aftermarket for that Ranger than for this, I think.
The new Ranger?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen them. I like them.
They're cool. They're not great for off-roading though out the box.
Really?
They have no protection under.
Oh.
And they have a plastic oil pan.
Oh, man.
Yeah, they need a lot of work before they could even catch up to a Taco. Yeah. For ruggedness, yeah. They're great city cars though. They haul ass. They're dope. Yeah, the driver amenities, like they got all of them beat, but on the dirt, they need some work. Out of the box, at least. Right. You can build anything up to be good.
Oh yeah, yeah. Hey, timing and.
Yeah, we're gonna romp that when if you ever quit. Even the little old Mazdas. Yeah.
Man, you know.
Son of a bitch.
Oh, you dropped it? Where'd it go?
Yeah, I'm gonna put a nut on it. Yeah, no.
Oh, you want a third hand here?
No, I got it.
All right, Mars, be careful. Oh, I got this one, man.
Yeah, that's more.
Fine.
You could have gone a little faster.
You could. I can't. I'm not gonna put that. If I can get them in trouble.
Yeah.
Creep, how come you put them like that instead of the other way around?
What?
Like, what's the difference? Instead of the bolts down and the nuts on the bottom.
I mean, I could put it the other way around, but what if like something snags or this hits on something?
Oh, not yeah.
That's the only reason
there's
why
more
I put
clearance.
it up. Yeah, put it up like that.
All
I mean,
right.
you can put them down too. Like some guys like to put them down.
I would have because it's
So-
easier to install. But you're right. It's better like that.
So. Wait, does this one have a mounting bracket?
No, only the other one did for the line. We had to keep it simple and just start tightening stuff because I was running late for a doctor's appointment. But properly, it should be 53 pounds of pressure, and of course, don't forget Loctite. You really hate Loctite, don't you?
Oh shit!
I'm just kidding, look. I'm just kidding. Go.
Give me that fucking Loctite.
Still got 3 more bolts to tighten, but yeah, that's basically what it's gonna look like. And the other side's already done with the Jounce Shock installed, but we'll get back to that in a second. Want to keep it in order.
Go for it.
And also 53 foot-pounds of pressure for these bolts. Yeah, it's a 5-handed install though. Tape it. Oh, where's our little to tighten it? We taped it because for some reason the Jounce Shocks don't come with the proper wrench to tighten them, so we're using an oil filter tightener or loosener, whatever, strap. Loctite. Oh, we're tightening it with these since we didn't get the wrench. Yeah, I'm gonna get them all messed up. Yeah, well, mostly YouTube. Yeah, Instagram, no. Instagram was all. It's deactivated right now on Instagram.
What about YouTube?
YouTube's still up. Yeah.
Hey,
It's 420 motor.
Notifications.
I know, no one is.
And I have the bell on.
Won't work. Yeah, 420 motors together. Yeah. I know, no one is. That's why I just like stopped caring. Like, dude, like this is some bullshit. Now I know people that have looked for them and it doesn't show on their shit, and they'll send me screenshots of their page.
Is that yours?
Yeah.
And I'll knock it a couple times so it's tight. You want some Loctite on this too?
If you want, I don't need it. I don't. It's not that big of a deal. I can't not make fun of you now.
Turn it down, Wayne.
God, it's weird hearing myself.
Yeah. Turn it down, Wayne. This one went up
further.
Yeah.
Oh
further.
wow.
See it?
It's already clear.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, we just need to tighten this one a little bit then.
Yeah.
All right, cool. You can tighten it with the strappy. Again, we use the straps to tighten them in a non-abusive way. I'll jump to what we did on the other side though. You're beating on them. You guys might cringe a little bit, but it also works. It's expensive hardware to be doing that too.
I'll get it nice and tight. It's almost there.
Damn, good call. Damn, it would have been super loose.
Yeah. That's why I was like, no.
Oh yeah, it's almost there.
Should take this off.
Did it clear the thread yet?
About to.
Apparently these are called strap wrenches. I've seen them at every auto parts store and I've used them for oil filters. Hell yeah. You got the hammer? Oh. That's not even moving.
No.
Oh, that's good then. It just went in.
Yeah. The other one probably had slag.
Little set screw. Loctite.
Okay, Loctite. I know, that's how I was looking at it too. I was like, Loctite.
I didn't realize until after I said it though. You're already almost reaching for it. And this set screw goes tightened down to 9 Newton meters.
How many,
It said like 8 Newton meters. Fucking, I don't know.
yeah, I have that torque wrench too.
They did the math on this one. They usually don't.
Should be alright.
So, what are these left? These spare parts? You used the old bolts on top of.
All of them?
Are the old nuts? Oh yeah, there's 2 of the nuts. Where did these come from?
Probably spare, yeah, you know? Well, maybe, I don't know.
Who cares? We're fine.
No, they're spares.
All right.
The other ones
Now who cares?
are for the shocks.
They're all there, yeah. Let's see. And we're done, huh? We just gotta put the shocks on?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, the shocks and the wheels. The instructions. Bam. Stolen. So if I ever get a chance to go past this crappy intersection, I'll hit that bump for you guys. I'll just hit it hard. All right, I'm gonna go. Hopefully you guys saw it engage. I don't know, but that's it. I don't know. Like I said, I'll hit the dirt as soon as I can for you guys. The install was pretty easy. I do like them. They are noisy, but it's a mechanical sound, so it's awesome. It's American made, all that stuff. I love the look for the rest of this build. There are other options, everybody knows, but I do really like these, and for me, it justifies it because of that. So I gotta get to Home Depot. I'm gonna wrap this up, but I'm gonna invite you guys to Telegram while hitting some of these speed bumps. Hopefully the camera's still on there to show you guys. Of course, I had to slow down for Tacoma. Hold on, Alex. Oh fuck. Oh farts. So real quick guys, before we sign off, I want to invite you guys over to Telegram. Check it out. We got a little community growing there thanks to some of the people from Instagram that went and some of the people from YouTube that have already gone. It's not so much you guys watching extra contents of ours. It's not behind the scenes sneak peeks. It's not that type of stuff. It's more actually you're involved in the production, and a lot of you are going to end up contributing to the production later on. You'll see as it goes along, but check us out on there. There'll be a link to everything. To Bala Off-Road, there'll be a link. To Chevrolet Performance, there'll be a link. And to Telegram, there'll be a link. Instagram, I think might still be deactivated. Still kind of over it, whatever. But thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share. Hopefully it helped you. Hopefully it helped somebody else. And until next time, just keep building your truck. Just keep finding new people. And of course, keep it dirty.